2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, tow hitch, power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, active suspension system, compass, fog lights, electronic stability control, security system, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, rear window defroster. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.